Hey everyone, we're going to make food art today. So we are going to take different food colors. We are using red and green color here. Now put random dots and spread it using fingers. Add more details. We are making wheat sticks here. We are going to add more details like this. And look, it is ready. You can make more such designs. We're going to make food art today. So put dots and circle. Now spread it using fingers and your flower is ready. We are putting an orange color at the center. Now we are going to make the leaves. So put green color, spread it, make its leaves. We are also making a beautiful blue butterfly. So spread it like this. Make the wings and antennas and look, your artwork is ready. We're going to make beautiful rosebud using food colors. So put a large drop of red food color and spread it using thumb. Then we are making the leaves using green food color. We are also drawing these droplets and look, it is ready. In this video we are going to make food art. So spread this black food color using fingers. Now put random dots around it. We are making beautiful little flowers. So spread it using fingers and it's done. We are going to put yellow food color at the center. Again we are adding more details. Here we are not using green color, so we are giving it shape using this black food color and it is looking so pretty and different. Also add some red dots around it for more decoration and it's done. Let's make a beautiful flower. So make a line using red food color and spread it using fingers. Repeat the same process. It will give a nice clean look to the flower. Look at the petals. Now spread this green color and make the stick and leaves of the flower and look, it's done. Let's make a rose flower. We are going to make the curvy lines and circle. Now spread it like we are doing here. It will give a nice outline to your rose flower. After that, repeat the same process inwards. Draw curvy lines and spread it using fingers like this. And look, your rose flower is ready. After this, we are going to make the sepal of the flower. So put green dots around it. And then we are going to spread all of them using fingers. Now we are going to join all the petals together and the leaves as well. Add more details like this. Make the sticks of the flower and we are also using the droplets. We are making them using different food color and look, your artwork is ready. Let's make beautiful flowers using food color. So put red dots and circle. Then we are going to spread all of them. We are making two flowers. Put yellow food color at the center and put some black dots on the top of it. Now we are going to make the leaves of the flower. So spread the green food color using fingers. Add more details like we are doing here and look, your artwork is ready. Let's make a flower. Every time we use red and pink food color, but this time we are going to make a flower using green color. So spread it like we are doing here and look, it's done. We are going to make two flowers. We are adding different colors like we are making the petals and leaves using yellow food color. Now we are adding more details like this. We are also using black and white food color for more decoration and look, your artwork is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.